Well, hi everybody, it's Diana from Youth Services at Mesa County Libraries. Thank you so much for watching. Today I want to show you how to make a fork and spoon snowflake. So let's get started. Alright, so here are the supplies that you'll need to create your snowflake. You will want to have 3 forks and 3 plastic spoons. So the idea is to have 6 different plastic utensils because most snowflakes have 6 points. And so as you can see, they're going to be on the outside of your snowflake, okay? You will also want to have some glue dots. You're going to want to have 12 of those. That's what this roll here is. If you don't happen to have glue dots, tacky glue would work really well because it's a little bit heavier duty glue, but if you don't happen to have tacky glue, of course, school glue or even glue stick will work, okay? You will want to have some things to decorate with if you are interested in decorating your snowflake. Glitter glue, glitter, pom-poms, jewels, stickers, markers, anything that you have in hand that you are interested in using. You will also need some thicker paper to make a cutout of a snowflake. So if you happen to have, something that makes cutouts, a circle and a snowflake, if you don't have something that makes those types of cutouts, no problem, because what you can do is go to the computer and print off a snowflake or a circle, or if you don't happen to have a printer and computer handy, you can always draw them. Okay, so here's how we create our snowflake. So you're going to take your cutout of your snowflake and you're going to turn it over. So you want the back of it. And then you're going to arrange your forks and spoons. Now I did an alternating pattern with my forks and spoons. You can do it however you'd like. So first we put those on and we're going to put them on kind of like the branches where those 6 points are going to be. So I just line those up right with the handle of the fork and spoon, okay? Now that I have that done, now I know where to put my glue dots, all right? So I'm gonna just unpeel this and then I'm going to just put my glue dot right on the branch of the snowflake. And then I'm just gonna keep going. All right, so now that we have all of our forks and spoons glued onto our snowflake, we need to stabilize a little bit, make it a little more sturdy. So what we're gonna do is basically the same thing, but we're gonna glue dot the back of our handles, okay, of our utensils here, because we are going to put our circle on the back there, all right? So just keep going with your glue dots. This is why we needed 12 of them, okay? All right, so now that I have all my glue dots on here, I'm gonna go ahead and put my circle right over that and then just press down where my handles are. And just make sure everything sticks on there. Okay, so now let's turn it over and see what it looks like. All right, so here is our snowflake. So now if you want to take the next step and decorate it, have fun. All right, well here's my finished product. I hope that you enjoy creating your own fork and spoon snowflake and just enjoy. If you're interested in learning more about different snowflake crafts that you can create, of course the libraries have all kinds of books that you can check out. If you are interested in learning about snowflakes themselves, because they're kind of interesting, we have some cool books that you can check out as well. I did want to highlight this one in particular. It is called The Snowflake, A Water Cycle by Neil Waldman. And this is a really cool way to showcase what happens to water droplets. It starts out as a snowflake and then it goes through the whole year to see what happens with water. So it's pretty fascinating. If you're interested in seeing the ebook of this book, we also have this on Hoopla, so you can go to our website, create an account if you don't already have it with your library card, and then you can read it on your computer or any electronic device that you like. So check that out if you're interested. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.